Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the spoke torque wrench from Excel. All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking in. Now look, something that we all know we should be doing pretty regularly is checking the spoke tension on our dirt bikes, and one of the best tools for the job is a spoke torque wrench. Now, Excel is a really well-known company, and they make very high quality rims, and there's no exception to their spoke torque wrench. This thing is built really well. It's adjustable from 15 all the way up to 60 inch-pounds. You also have Newton meters on here as well. And if you're not quite sure why you should be checking your spoke tension regularly, well, I'll talk about that more here in just a minute. But when you pick up this spoke torque wrench, here is what you are getting. So this will come in a kit, and now you're gonna get the actual spoke torque wrench itself. Like I said, you got the number indicators right here on the side from 15 to 60 inch-pounds. If you're Newton meters, you'll be able to adjust it to that as well. And then when you pick this up, it will come with 4 popular sizes for Japanese and other OEM bikes for your big bike. So you're gonna have a 6.1, a 6.3, a 6.5, and a 6.7. It also does include a spline drive head as well for Excel rims that come with the spline drive nipples. Now, one thing to be aware of is that this will not come with sizes for mini bikes as well as European bikes. So if you have one of those, best way is just they sell these individually. So if you go to the product page for these, you just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you need one for, and it will show you what size you need, and you can pick those up. Now, like I said earlier, do want to point out also that what's nice is that inside the case that will come included, there are 3 additional locations to put some extra wrench heads. So again, if you want to pick up some additional sizes, they do have spots in this case for those. Now, here's why you want to be checking the spoke tension on your wheels regularly. I am guilty of this. In fact, I just went and checked the spoke tension on my dirt bike just the other day. I had several spokes that were loose that need to be torqued down. When your spokes get too loose, your wheel becomes out of true, it starts to wobble, you can have spokes that can break in that situation. Same goes if your spokes are too tight. If you have too much tension on there, that can actually cause them to break. So you want to be right in that sweet spot. If you look at your owner's manual, if you're not quite sure what your torque setting should be, look at your owner's manual, they will give recommendations there. If you have, say, a set of Tusk impact wheels, there is actually instructions on the product page. On the documents tab, you can check that out. But what's nice about these is that there's no guesswork. You don't just take a standard spoke wrench and just sit there and tighten it until you feel like it's tight enough. With this, you set it and you twist it until you actually feel it break away. Then you know that you've got the right torque setting on your rim. So again, it's a really important job that you should be doing. This is a really easy or a really good tool to make the job easier. So if you don't have one of these, highly recommend one. If you do have questions or comments, we would love to get those answered. So make sure, leave those in the comment section below. If you've never said true to wheel before, or maybe you're building one up for the first time, we have great how-to videos. We go through, we show you step-by-step how to do that entire process, start to finish. So make sure to give those a watch. Click on the link in the description or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com to pick one of these up today or see the other spoke torque wrenches that we offer. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on the product spotlights like you just saw today, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and that will keep you up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.